Hi guys, today we have Corolla 2016-17 model, and this is the original key, old one. And right now we are going to program the flip key. This is VVDI, and the first step is to generate the key. We are using here Xtool Max to generate the remote. So after generating, we are going to use Xtool to program in the system. So the step would be like we need to turn on the ignition like this. Okay, we are not starting the car. Make sure you are not started the car, just ignition. Then we will turn on our Xtool and search for Corolla. Our remote is generated, so we're gonna disconnect it and we will add a battery to it. So we generated the remote and added the battery to program in the system. While generating the remote, you must disconnect the battery, take out the battery, then generate the remote. If you are not doing that, the remote will not generate. So right here we are on our Xtool. We're gonna search Toyota. Ignition is on. We can do auto, but we are actually programming the remote, so we are going to from type, then remote, then auto identify. It's a type 2. We're gonna program remote, turn ignition on and open driver door. So the driver door is open and ignition is on. Okay, we're gonna say yes. It's configuring the system. We're gonna take some time, and it will then ask to hold the two buttons, lock and lock, to program in the system. Right now we need to hold the lock and lock and proceed again and again to make it program. So the remote is programmed and we're gonna say yes. And now it's time to check it. First we need to take out the remote, lock, unlock, indicators, lock, unlock. Okay, so right here we done. We programmed the remote and we clone the chip, and right now it's time to start the car. And this car is starting nice and clean. Lock and lock. Not working. What's the problem? They should work. There must be a door open. That's why it's not working. But if I close it properly, then it should work. Yes, nice and clean.